And there's worry in Weise Road, Bull Bay, St. Andrew. Still reeling from last year's devastation caused by flooding, the people complain that little mitigation work has been done to prevent a recurrence. Sandy Williams has this primetime news follow-up.
Dirt piled along the banks of the Chalky River in Bull Bay, St. Andrew for as far as the eye can see. Some of it came from homes of residents in Weise Road after major flooding last year. Residents of Weise Road in Bull Bay, St. Andrew are still reeling from the impacts of heavy rains last year. This car behind me stands as a grim reminder of what took place last November. The strips on the wall of this house serve as a daily reminder of the devastation for Babette Marage. It took weeks and lots of manpower to clean the river, but the residents are not satisfied.
What they are doing, they're cleaning, and they're using that same cleaning sand and banking it up on the sides. So if we get a heavy rain right now, what do you think is going to happen? All of that is going to be softened down, don't it? And it's going to collapse back down inside of it and pull it up back again. So it's like it would be a waste of time cleaning it like that. You need to get it all out because I know it don't reach the grind side yet.
As the 2021 Atlantic hurricane season begins, the residents are terrified the river will overflow its banks again.
I tell you right now, I don't know my bedded from my bed food because the hurricane season is coming up again. And why, where we pass through, wouldn't like to pass through that again.
I want to leave before it starts. What I experienced November 8th, talking to you now, my eye full of water. I don't want to go back to it. If you look at my foot, when I drop in the water, my children can try to save me and grandchildren.
Some rebuilding has taken place, such as this perimeter fence, but overall, recovery has been slow.
I have to find money now to go and get a backhoe to bring back the level of right here and right there over that side. Reason being, when the rain do fall, it's all coming back down. So I have to just try to take it time and time. And it wasn't petty cash. Trust me.
It mashed me up so till me I weigh 140 pounds and me look me I weigh 125 pounds. When I see the water in the bathroom, I want to bathe and I'm afraid. I'm not afraid to tell nobody that. Since I got after the 3rd of May, I realized that I revived.
After the incident, there had been talks of relocation, but action has been slow. It's why the people are making this appeal.
I suggest they come and clean the riverbed properly. Dig it out until them reach the grind. If them can get even, like the, what do call them, retainer walling, concrete walling, is if forget them and clock it come down, then put it at that.